Hey everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. So it is March already. March Madness. Yeah, it is craziness how fast the year is going by, at least for me. Anyway, I just wanted to show you, this is the inspiration that Shannon has put together for us for the Mini Kit Monday group. You do not have to use this, but if you wish to, you may. But I was going to show you, I'll give you a little close-up. This is going to be on our Facebook group, so I will leave a link to the group below so you can, you won't have to like take a picture of this. You can get it yourself. All right, so she is giving you a budget of $25. This is pretend, okay? And you cannot go over the $25 of your pot of gold to make your kit. So I don't use everything that's on this usually, and I haven't pulled everything out that I may be using. So I think if you used everything that was on this, you would have, I think it's like $32. So you need to pare it down or however it works. And then it would be so fun if you could say with each page that you made how much you spent. Now, when she says pattern paper, she doesn't mean each piece of pattern paper. She means pattern paper as a whole. And then, puffy stickers as a whole. You can use 10 different brands. If they're all puffy stickers, that is only $2. So that's because she showed this to us as a group and we were asking all the questions, and that's what she wanted to do. Now there's a bonus. Anything gold is free, so that is the bonus with this one. It should be a lot of fun. So I am playing along with this. So I was going to show you how I get started. Now March has 5 Mondays. And that means 4 layouts, and I always, this is the intro, the 4 layouts, and then I always have a recap. So I will have a total of 6 videos this month for the Mini Kit Monday. Let me show you what my inspiration sheet is. Oh goodness, here we go. Once again, the colors are so off. This looks red, but it's actually hot pink. Yeah, it's a very hot pink. And you'll be able to see when I take the photos and I put them on the video, you'll be able to tell for sure that the colors are pretty true. So this is my first page, or my inspiration page, I guess. So I'm using the inspiration from this, but then this is what I'm getting all my colors from, is from this. I don't remember which collection this is from. I recently just, the trend now is just kind of separating all of your paper pads. And so I did, and I'm going to say this is probably a Jen Hatfield, but I don't know for sure. Okay, so I love that. And I love the pink, and I want to go ahead and kind of live up with the pink. So I chose this one. And then I always like a good stripe if I can find one. So this is pink with green. Let me see. So it's like green at the top and it turns, I think, to a black. So there is that. And speaking of green, I only pulled out one green, and it looks blue there, but it's really not. It's a real pretty teal. And then the last full sheet of paper I have is this yellow, kind of a golden color, and that really does look like what it looks like. I thought it went well. It coordinates well. So I think all these colors really look good together. I really like them. But I also have some, like 6x6 or some scraps that I had in my stash. So I do love yellow. I like it a lot. So I pulled a couple more. And in fact, whenever I am looking for papers, I'm always looking for something that has yellow. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I absolutely love it. So there is this sheet. It's kind of an orangey yellow. It's one-sided. And then I have a 6x6. Here's another yellow. So all of these, you know, I can use it for matting or punches or die cuts, whatever I decide to use. This was in with my yellow, and it goes. It goes. I really like it. Anyway, so that's why this is pulled out. It is two-sided, but I got it for the stripe. Now, as for the green, this is where my cardstock comes in. This is kind of an olive color, and it really matches well with the leaves here. So I pulled this out, and it's kind of raggedy. Can you see? This is Liddell. This is what he likes to do. He chews on my papers, and his favorite thing to do is to chew on my plastic Ziploc bags. I don't understand him. He is weird. I have more green. I have this color green, and it also goes well. And then I have this one. Now this is kind of a blue and a green. It has a lot of colors and stripe. This is an old paper. Man, I don't even remember where. Oh, I've had this for a long time. Don't know where it came from, but I like it for this collection. So I'm going to put it here. And let's see. So I have the yellow and the green. And what about a pink? Yeah, I found a pink. I found a hot pink, and I know it looks like a soft pink, but it is so not. I think this is, I don't know, Paige Evans maybe? It goes absolutely perfect with that. So there are all my papers and my cardstock. So far I have spent $3. So I have $25 to spend, but I've only spent $3. I'm pretty sure I'm right. And you know what? Probably should watch Shannon's video just to make sure, and she'll probably clarify it on the Facebook group if I am wrong. And I'll be the first to admit if I was wrong. I don't have any problems with that. Okay, so get this kind of tucked out of the way. Like you guys, I have stuff scattered everywhere. Okay, so of course I have to have sequins. I am pulling this out as a representation. I don't know if I'll be using this exclusively. My friend Kathy Fagel, I think that's how she says that, Kathy Fagel, she sent this to me, and because she knows I love sequins, and I just love her so much. So it is a representation. So sequins are $1, I think. Let me see. It's enamel dots or sequins, and they're $1. Okay, these are like vellum stickers, or yeah, they're not vellum. They're clear. I've used one, and look, I got it for 74 cents at Hobby Lobby. Awesome. And I thought, I love these. They're kind of metallic. I know you can tell. And I love the words. So I have no idea how much these are, because it says, as for with stickers, it says cardstock stickers are $2, puffy stickers are $2, alpha thickers are $2, but it doesn't really go much into the other kind of stickers. So we can say that these are $2. These are $2. And then I have these are, oh, these are puffy stickers. So, yeah, I'm sure I'll be able to use these. And so those are $2. So I'll make that $2. Because let me tell you, I pulled this out because I thought that this would work well with all the papers that I had. I haven't used it hardly at all. It is from the Pick Me Up. That's what it says. I thought I had the Pick Me Up chipboard stickers, but these really don't look familiar to me, but here we are. I I have plenty of money in my pot of gold, so I can make these $2. So I can make this $6 plus 7 plus the 3. Now I'm up to 10, right? I'm up to 10. Push this off to the side. Then I need some alpha stickers, but I decided not to go with thickers. I decided just to go with the flat alpha. And I only got the black and the white. And I have all the colors. And look, I found this in with this Cocoa Vanilla. I didn't even know it was in there. So I have all the colors from LE Studio. These were old. They say 2016. This is 2014. Yeah, I probably got them in 2016. Yeah, that sounds about right because that's when I moved back to Texas. So yeah, that sounds right. So I reserve the right to pick other colors from the LE Studio Alpha that I have. I love them. Look, you get 300. It's not like this anymore because I've looked on the website, but you get 300 stickers, and no, I don't remember how much they were. But when I buy them, and I recommend people to buy them, you know, buy at least 2. I think I bought 5 or 10 or some enormous amount of money. And then I got washi tape. So I got this one out, and then I have this gold one, but it doesn't matter because it's washi tape. So washi is $1. And then I got this one. I don't like it that it's just like, oh my gosh, like, oh, there's a green one in here too. I didn't intend to get that, but I think it's because this is all wrapped around it. I would like to get this used up so it doesn't get ruined. I think that's kind of where my mindset is. So, okay, that's another $1. So I'm starting over. So I've got 10, right, and plus 1. And then I know Flair is $1. And I do have I have one cat video, not video. No, I watch plenty of cat videos. I don't make them. It's some photos of my daughter and her cat. So I was going to make a page with that. So there's $2. And then I was going to, so she says, let's see, die cuts, $2. So Kathy also sent these to me, these little flowers that she made. Aren't they pretty? And I know that they're going to go with that. So I went, look, it's back. It's my flower bin. It's so full. I know I'll be able to find something in there. These are die cuts. So I am going to use that. I had plenty of money. I can still get, let's see, what was I thinking? Oh, the mist and the splatty bits. That, or in the wood veneer. Those are 2 that I may pull, but I'm not for sure. But I'm not going to pull it right now. So that is my kit. I love to see how little money I can put a page together. So I like doing that. But I want it to be pretty, you know, so I don't want it to be like so minimalist that it's boring. So anyway, so here it is again. Here's the inspiration. And make sure that you take a picture of your kit and post it on the Facebook group. There is an album. I'll just go ahead and say that there is one already. There's an album that says March 2020, and you post it in there, and then you, every time you make a layout, if you'll post that in that album as well, and then that is the place where we get the names of the people who are in the drawing for the prize. So I know I had a prize when I was the hostess in January. I gave away a gift card, I think Daisy is curating a kit. So every month is a little different because each one of us take turns being the hostess, and and we do have two guests this month, and I'll leave their information down below. In fact, I'll just write it here in the video because I am making this video a little early. It's mid-February, and I don't know who the guests are, but I will look that up and I will add it to it so that you guys will know. And I do appreciate everyone who said that they wanted to be a guest. We're so honored that you wanted to be a part of our group. So anyway, thanks a lot, guys. If you have any questions or comments, if you leave those down below, and you can hit the like button if you like. One more thing that I was going to show you. It's not on here. So, and to me, it's golden. Very punny. It is the sketches. I am going to use the sketches from this sketchbook. So I got smart and put all the sketches in here, and I will be pulling sketches from here for my layouts. So I call this free because there's nothing on here about sketches, and I'm not trying to be a rebel. Well, maybe a little bit. Okay, guys. Anyway, I'm done. You guys have an awesome day and get to scrapping. All right. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.